The University at Buffalo Bulls remain perfect at home on the season, moving to 6-0 at Alumni Arena.
Let's go, Bulls!
Setting right side to Arcucci right off the bat. Freshman from the right side will get it done in the 5-6 seam.
It's a pretty good start at Alumni Arena.
Wherever the block goes.
Nice angle, nice timing.
Treva Hoska with the ace as she finds the inline.
Getting out of the way of that thing.
Converse letting it rip down the middle.
There's a lot of offense on this University of Buffalo team, and if you put them in system, it's going to be tough to deal with. Watch out for UB's offense. They are loaded offensively.
Mandy to Abby, you betcha. Get out of our chairs.
Full speed ahead here.
Here's the Slovakian looking to end it for Buffalo.
Boom. Overpass.
And the kill for Lauren Otten. And Buffalo wins it cleanly. 3-0 in sets. The Bulls win it 25-19 in the third. The UB Bulls remain perfect at home.